In this video, we will talk about what is happening in the current market, and we will also see if there are any trading opportunities available for us. This is the chart of Nifty, a weekly chart of Nifty. If you see from here, Nifty has went up without any stop or given a small correction. So after giving so much return in past 2 years, we need some correction here, right? So that's why Nifty is falling currently. So we will go to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart of Nifty, and from here Nifty has fallen, come here, then pause, come here, small pause, come here, and now last day or last session it is around 2.9% down, you can see here. So what can be the next target of the Nifty? Okay, so let's understand. So first we'll draw some major trend lines. So this is the demand zone. So this is one possible way Nifty can come here and just trade and went up. Another possible way is somewhere here. So when you if you see this, Nifty has reacted here when it went up, right? So this is also a very important line. The next important line will be this one. Next important line will be this one, and another one we can draw here. So these are the important lines we should check for the upcoming weeks or months. Okay. So what can happen to the Nifty? Let's go to the 1 hour charts. So here it is trading. It is not 1 minute, just a two. So Nifty is here. So it has given a breakout also. So next target can be this line. Okay, next target can be this line. If Nifty break this line, then next target will be this line. And if they break this line also, then next target will be this line, last line. Okay. So this is target. What where Nifty can get reversal? So there is a very important zone. If you see this zone is very important, right? Because Nifty came here, then traded here for some time, breakout, then again traded here for some time, then went up. Means the possible way for the Nifty to go up, something like this, to go up or the end the correction. This can be the possible way for the Nifty. Okay, I am not sure about this, but we should see the possibilities, right? So from here we can expect Nifty will touch this line. If not, then one more thing can happen. Nifty just come here, trade for some time. Let's draw some trend lines also. So this was the previous trend which got broken last session, and it is just falling. So supply and demand is looking good. So guys, these are the few lines you should keep your eyes on. So let's talk about the stocks. The first stock is the Fortis. So we talk about this stock last session also. So first stock is a Fortis. It is a very simple. Look at this from here. First touch, second touch, third touch. After breakout, it just retested. Now it is moving up, right? So we will look if it is giving breakout. After breakout, we can expect a good moment from here. Okay. So on 1 hour chart, it is looking something like this. So wait for the line to break out, resistance line, and then you can enter. So this is the first stock. Then second stock is Ajanta Pharma. The pharma stocks are on good, looking good. So this is the pharma Ajanta Pharma. Look at this. It has broken the previous high. Then coming to retest. Now it is looking like giving a reversal here. You can see a hammer. So hammer has a reversal pattern. If you have, guys, I have made a video small tutorial on candlesticks. So if you haven't watched that, you can watch. So this is, let's go on daily chart. So Ajanta Pharma looking like something like this. So there are two opportunities to enter. First one will be after breakout of this. The second one will be after breakout of this line. But the safest way to enter into this stock to wait for this line to get break. Okay. So this is the second stock. Then third one is PGHH, Procter and Gamble. So Procter and Gamble has been trading or following this line for quite few, almost 6 years, and finally it has given a breakout here. And this is the weekly chart. Let's go on hourly chart. So after breakout, it just trading sideways. So this way it is trading this way. or we can just not draw this line. So this is how it is trading. So look for a strong reversal or you can enter here. So this is PGHH. Then next one is Bajaj Holding. I talk about this stock in previous session also. So same, just it was following a resistance line. It has given a breakout here. Now it is just sideways movement. So after breakout of this line, we can enter. Okay, but wait for the breakout. Or then next stock, Glenmark. Glenmark was falling for quite some time. Then it has taken a small pause here. Just let go on with 1 day chart. If you see, this is a expanding type of pattern. It has given a breakout here, and but here it is looking a reversal candle. So we need to check that also. Let's just do some correction. So Glenmark, you can draw a Glenmark chart, something like this. So after breakout of this line, you can try to enter, and your target will be somewhere here, this line. Okay. And then next one is Lilcon Pharma. So Lilcon is looking good. Look at this. This has been trading below this resistance line, then given breakout. Now just trading sideways. Then let's go on daily chart and see where we can enter. So guys, this is a fall, right? And it is just reversing. If you try to enter here, it is not confirmed that it will go up. We need some confirmation to get out of the previous pattern. So if you see here, it will look like a head and shoulder pattern. Let me draw that. So from this, it might go somewhere here, then something like this, then this. So see, it will become a head and shoulder type of pattern. Okay, so keep your eyes on this also. So this is Lincoln Pharma. The next one is Uptech. So first touch, second touch. Now it has it is trading at the resistance line. And if you go to the daily chart, it was about to give breakout, but it didn't. And now just following. So it might come here, then go up. Okay, it might come here, then go up. So keep your eyes on this also. Then Pfizer. So Pfizer, this is a weekly chart on Pfizer. Look at this Pfizer. First touch, second touch, third touch. It might go up, right? Because it is just going up from the support line. Let's go on daily and see if there is any entry point. Entry point. So we have just drawn a resistance line. P. So guys, we need to break the structure so we can enter above this highs somewhere around here. If you want to go safe, then you can also wait for this structure to get break. Okay, so these are the two ways where you can enter into Pfizer. The next stock is Bicon. So look at this Bicon stock. It was falling for quite some time from December 2022. So almost for 1 year is falling. So and now it is looking strong or buying side. Let's go on daily chart. On daily chart, you can see a rejection here also, right? So it might come down also, or it may go up also. Okay, so wait for the breakout, then also wait for this high to get broken, then you can enter. It will be your safe entry. Okay, and your target will be somewhere here, or you can go first target, second target. Your first target will be this will be your first target, then your second target will be this gap is very important, then your third target will be somewhere around this here if it gives breakout. If not, then we will need to see how it is moving, and then we will do a new analysis on this. Then Prestige Estate. So guys, this will be the last stop. So look at this Prestige Estate. From starting, it was just following a same trend line over the years from 2010 to 2020, means almost for 11 years, and now it has given a breakout, then again came down, right? So this is also looking good. Let's go on daily chart. So on daily chart, look at this. So on daily chart, it is moving in a channel, trading in a channel pattern, right? So it might come down also, it might go up also, right? So your safest way to enter into this stock will be somewhere around here. It might get you may see say this is a little bit late, but guys, this is the safest way, no, to enter into this stock, because it might just go up and come again down, right? So this is also good. So wait for this line to break and then you can enter. So this is all in this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a whole list of such stocks. I will share that on Telegram channels. Okay, don't forget to join Telegram channel, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because on every Sunday you will get such analysis of stocks and analysis of market.